guys! Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video, we're going to show you what our 9,000 pesos got us for a double income, no kids couple. So, yon. Buksan natin isa-isa. So we got 3 boxes. So we shopped at Shopwise and reasonable naman yung prices nila. So, let's unbox. This is a different kind of unboxing, guys. Hindi na siya yung mga unboxing ng mga bags or whatever. Adulting na tayo. So, the first one we got is this one.
1 tray of eggs.
Ilang pieces yun? 30 pieces of eggs.
Large.
So, I think ano yun, nasa 200, 300 pesos.
No.
Hindi ko na alam eh. Pero ito yung resibo namin. 8,952.91. So, 8 pesos siya from 9K. And of course, hindi mawawala ang saging.
Gagawin ko para kunyari, pag naggawa na gano'n kailangan namin.
Okay, so first box muna tayo, baby. Oh, we got, syempre,
Tulog. Ang tigas.
coconut oil, pamprito. First, we got our chips. Yun. Hindi naman kayo malakas na chips. So, matagal na yan sa amin. Sa kanya imported, akin local. I love Clover chips. We also got yung mga pang soup pag magluluto ako ng mga fried. Okay, and then of course, we got sweet chili sauce for mga lumpia, ganyan fishball.
Lumpia.
And then we got spaghetti
Clara
sauce.
Lace.
Oh, dali. Para mabilis ang transition natin. Oh, ayan. Go.
Nor pork and beef kasi may chicken pa kami. Cubes.
Yep. And then of course, very important in our kitchen,
Lemon.
So this is 136 pesos for 4 lemon. Not bad na.
Gabi sinigang. Hindi naman masyadong favorite ang Nor. With free coffee ko blanca.
Yes, may kasi kaming sinigang. And then we got
Sugar oats.
mga oatmeal, my favorite breakfast, tsaka merienda pag gutom.
Tipco.
Cranberry juice. Ayun. First vlog pala natin to dito sa bahay.
Oh yeah, welcome to our channel.
Yeah, welcome to our new house. Wala pa kaming vlog talaga nung house tour or something. We're gonna plan on shooting that, but this is our kitchen. So, yeah.
Welcome to our kitchen.
Yeah. And then this is Del Monte, my favorite ketchup sa aking potato corner.
Kita nyo guys? Yeah, sa potato corner, favorite mo.
Hindi, so ewan ko ba't binili mo.
Breadcrumbs for
Breadcrumbs.
Yeah, breadcrumbs. Naka-crumbs ako.
Alright, and then we have oat side para sa coffee ni Dean. And almond breeze for my cereals and mga overnight oats. And then we got, ito na, yung mga frozen goods. We got squid balls and ayan, lean pork para pag favorite kasi namin yung sayote. Tapos meron lang ginigilan. And then we got this, actually favorite namin to ni Dean, yung mga meat-free.
Yeah.
So meat-free bulgogi, we also have the tapa, so yeah.
It's good.
And then, pang beef steak. So, may mga meats kaming binili dun sa 9,000 na yun. In fairness, may mga meat naman. Kaya
Yeah, but it's like half kilo.
Oo.
Like
Since
that.
dalawa lang naman kami, tsaka si Arman, yung kasama namin sa house. Yan. Pang beef steak. And then I also got this fish tofu. So, pag mga tamad days to cook,
Kaya siya may cheese.
I can just fry this kasi pwede rin namin ulamin to.
Ulam.
Yeah.
Merienda.
For me, it's ulam already. And then I got the fried fish ball. Fried fish ball from Fresh Fish Meat. So, medyo mas mahal to. Parang 200 pesos isa. Ayan. We have, lean beef naman. I don't know. Saan natin ito lalagay?
Nachos.
Ayun, nachos daw. And then, of course, we got chicken. So, meron akong biniling pang tinola or afritada, yung chicken thigh and drumstick. And then also, I got chicken wings. Kasi ang dami kong biniling mga marinades sa States. Gusto ko siyang i-try. Yung mga Jamaican, Caribbean jerk, ganon. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, so yun yung meat na binili namin. We're done with the meat.
I don't know what's this for.
These are plant pots na binili ko. 79 pesos siya.
Okay. Dishwashing liquid.
Yan, very important yan. Dishwashing liquid.
Band-aids.
Yes.
Earpods.
Earpods.
Sabi ko mali.
Earbuds.
Earbuds. Sorry.
Earpods.
Oh, Colgate Yarman.
Yan, actually, walang toiletries nung binili namin guys sa 9,000 na yun.
Yeah.
Ang binili lang namin ng toiletries si Arman.
Driver.
Yung driver namin.
Trash
Trash bags.
bag.
Important din na meron.
Listerine.
Yes. Importante yan.
Shampoo ni Arman. Soap ni Arman.
Aba, Hojisan pa. Soap ni Arman. Siya
Siyempre,
yatang
Arman.
magpaputi.
Lysol for cleaning the
Yeah, very important
tiles,
guys.
floor.
Yung panglinis ng bahay, importante talaga siya to keep your house smelling good and clean. Eto guys, grabe, favorite ko to. Naku, mapakita ko sa inyo ha. Mga mas malapitan.
Need light.
Yan. Ang ano nga eh. I-ano ko na
Si
lang.
Blessed. Thank you,
Blessed Natural All-Purpose Cleaner Organic Lavender Oil. Sobrang bango nito sa table, dito sa bar kitchen namin. Yan ang pinanglilinis. Tsaka
Sa
dito sa,
dining,
sa
yeah.
dining. Sobrang okay siya.
Bango siya.
Pride for the rugs, for the mats.
Ang laban ng mga ano namin basahan.
Yeah.
Okay, we're down to the last
Since
box,
mais na kami
guys.
ngayon, bumili kami ng murang ng murang.
Oo, grabe.
Tumitingin ako sa presyo ngayon.
Kailangan talaga ay mawais sa pagbili ng mga items din, ano.
Mushroom, I don't know what for.
Ayan, kasi I like frying vegetables with mushroom. I have zucchini, ganyan. Zucchini, eggplant, mushroom. Tutulo na yan.
Pita for Martha.
I like it when I'm hungry. I like this pita. Mas, ano siya.
Coffee for Arman.
Okay. Arman yan.
Clover na naman for Martha.
I have 2 clovers, barbecue and cheese.
Ayun yan ang look. Ano.
Ayan.
Butter. And cheese.
Yan, pang tinapay. And then, I got some yogurt. Greek yogurt, panggawa ko ng overnight oats. And then, jelly strawberry for, snacks.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Ayan, I love cucumber. Lagay mo sa suka, babad mo sa suka with pepper. Sarap.
Zucchini.
Yan, zucchini. Kasama nung mushroom na sinasabi ko kanina. Saan na yun?
Sayots.
Ayan na, ang sayote. Okay.
Mango juice ni Martha.
And sa'yo din kasi uminom ka din ito eh.
Sige. Basil. And parsley. All-purpose flour.
For
Flour.
fry.
Yeah, for the chicken fingers. Corned beef ni Arman.
Ayan.
Mushroom. Cream corn.
Yes! Panghalo-halo!
Whole kernel corn.
We love full kernel corn as a side dish actually.
Yan.
That's it! Yun na yung 9,000 pesos namin guys. Saka isasalansan ko yung iba dito. Okay, so this is the 9,000 pesos grocery that we did earlier. It looks konti pala pag hindi na siya nakabox. And actually, may mga meat pa pala na hindi na namin sinama sa video na to.
Wrapper siya.
So, yeah. I think we did good naman sa 9,000. Hindi lang nakasama dito is yung toiletries namin. Plus, meron pa kaming bigas. So, isa pa yun sa malaking bulk
Yeah,
eh.
brown rice.
When you buy rice. So, we use brown rice and quinoa. Kami yung dalawa.
So, we still have
Wala pa yun.
marami pa.
Yeah.
Since kami lang yung kumakain, so konti lang.
So, yun lang yung wala sa grocery na to. I think, kung kasama ang toiletries plus kanin, it will be like
15.
12 to 15,000. But
Yeah.
yes, guys. So, I think that's it for our video today.
Yeah, it's actually, compared before, it's really mahal na now. Today,
Yeah.
we only bought like half lang or 1/4 lang ng meat. Actually,
Yeah.
meat talaga yung mabigat.
Yeah.
Pero mahal talaga na ngayon.
Yeah, and collectively, isipin mo, for example, ito 25 lang, ganun. Pero collectively, when you pay for everything,
It's mahal.
magulat ka na mag-a-add up na rin talaga siya. So, isa ko nga friend, si Juna. Hi, Juna! May dala daw siyang calculator sa grocery. So, that's how they do it. Like, to stick to their budget. So next time siguro gawin namin yung challenge. Stick to our budget challenge and we're gonna buy everything we need for the house. Like, kasi ito, iba-ibang part ng house na bilhin nila. May panglinis, pangluto, panghugas ng plato, first aid, toiletries, meron kaming gulay, meat, snacks, juices, condiments, eggs.
Basically, yeah.
So basically, we covered everything sa
And this is
9,000.
the first grocery here now. Na
Yeah.
tayo yung nag-grocery.
We moved in here like 3 weeks ago lang. So it's our first ever grocery ever. So I guess that's it guys. Thank you for watching our video. And
guys.
this is our first actually comeback video on YouTube. We're gonna try to make more of our content as a double income, no kids couple, lesbian couple. Siguro ang next namin i-video is itong house. We're gonna do it part by part because a lot of the things we have here, we bought sa Shopee and we got you guys. We have the links for you and everything. So, thank you for watching, guys!
Bye!
Magdi-dinner na kami.